Okay, hi guys, Richard here. Let's have a look at the Euro USD. We're currently, yep, here we go. All right, daily, this is the daily chart. Okay, I've got this big SR level in here. Okay, this is daily, so it's quite wide. We have come directly off this 618 on the downside of the larger move. We've gone and now penetrated. If anybody a couple of days ago was looking for long, which was probably last week, looking for long on that trend line, that was a nice little grab out of that. Okay, but we've now broken, so we're probably going to end up continuing to the downside. Okay, if anything, we may even, maybe come back up and then have another go at it. Okay, but it does look short. You look at the dollar index at the moment, we're on the upside on the dollar index. So, dollar index for me is basically the Euro USD, the one and the same. Okay, because Euro USD is the highest level traded currency pair there is. So therefore, if you look at the weighting in the dollar index, then the Euro USD is the one. So just have a look at it and at the two of them, and they're just basically opposite to each other. Okay. Anyway, we've got this channel to the upside. We have had the break to the downside. I might move this out of the way here now. Let's put another trend line in here. Let's see where that's going. That's not really going anywhere near what we want. So, my initial take is on here. We've got a small SR level in here. Okay, so we may come back down into this level, and then bounce back to the upside and have another go for the 104.50 level. But yeah, the big story on this one is that we've penetrated. Let's have a look at the 4 hour. Yeah, that story in there was pretty good. It's quite aggressive on the downside all the way. Okay, let's have a look at the 1 hour. So if you're swing trading at 1 hour, half hour type charts is what we're really looking for. Still got this in here, so I would probably be looking for continuations in here. So something up here at this 618 will be a great entry, great move for an entry in there. Okay, because we've got level, and let's have a look at, let's create a channel now to the downside. Let's see what's going on here. We'll probably do that for now. Let's just muck around and have a look at it. That kind of looks good as well. That looks good in there. That looks good in there. Okay, so we're at the bottom of the channel in here, so a return to the center might be likely. Okay, into this over here at 107.6768, maybe 66. Okay, so into the center line. But if it does want to have another go at it, so it may be coming back up into here. Okay, so this might be the next play. Okay, and for tonight, if it is aggressive, then we're certainly going to see that type of thing moving to the downside. Let's look at, do we have divergence? We don't have any divergence. I really don't. I've pulled the RSI off. Let's have a look at that. Yeah, nothing in there that's really signaling. So let's go down a half hour chart. Whoops. Half hour chart. Still looking good. I think I've given you a pretty good story in there. We've got this SR in here. If I copy this SR up one more level up into here, there's another one just in there as well. Okay. So, but the next stop here will probably be this 107.70, 68 level. And if more buying, definitely buying down in here at the 682 level as well, 107. So that's a handle in there. Let me just put my little handle marker. Handle. Whoops. Sorry, my bad. Okay, there's a handle there. And let's just do another handle. Whoops. Handle up in here, 108. There we go. There's the handles. Okay. All right, so that should make it pretty clear of the way that I look at it. If we do want to, we can even let me bring this one down into here. Okay, so there is another trend line in there. It's had a couple of bounces in it as well, so that is playing nicely for, I think it's continued downside kind of view to it all. Might have a really good look down in here at this at least 107, 107 level. It might be a good play just for a retrace back to the upside. But the significant thing is that it has broken this trend line in here. Okay, all right, that's it. Hopefully you got something out of it.